Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Jane. Today we'll be making this beautiful eye mask. Let's get started. Okay, we'll be drafting on the paper first. Draw your straight line like this and then mark 5 inches horizontally and vertically, like we get a squared shape. Now get the midpoint and mark it, which is 2.5 inches on this side and this side as well. And here again. Now at this angle you come in by 1 inch. And then 1 inch at this angle as well. This place you go up by 1.5 inches. Then you connect the lines. I shaped mine a little bit here and cut it out. Fold your material into two like this. And then fold it again. Now place your pattern and cut it out. We have two pieces of the same material. You can decide to use two different materials of your choice. Now we'll cut out the wording the same shape as what we have here. And we'll iron. For the elastic band, I'll be using 12 inches. Now place it like so on both sides. Then place the other piece right side facing each other and then sew round using 1/2 inch. Don't forget to leave 1 inch that you use in turning it inside out. Give it a good press, and I'm going to be top stitching around it. You can decide not to. And here we have it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to drop a comment, like, share, and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.